Explaindio Agency Edition Review. Work less and earn more with Explaindio Agency Edition. Discover Warp Tech, which makes TikTok, YouTube and Instagram Shorts and every other kind of videos and ads. And makes businesses crave your video services even if you have never sold or rented a video before. 2D and 3D animation, explainer, doodle sketch, shorts and motion videos. Results not typical from pro freelancers. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. Agency license with 5 users included when you act now. Get Explaindio Business Edition now. Create attention-grabbing professional videos in just minutes. The easy-to-use drag-and-drop content creator. Doodle animation and whiteboard videos. 2D and 3D animated videos. Full motion videos. Explainer videos. Explaindio is the only video app with Warp technology on the market. Create your next videos in 3 simple steps. Create. Just pick an object or action to get started. Customize. Edit with your message and custom effects. Export and share. Export to your computer and share. Explaindio Warp technology makes videos like no other app. Are you ready to discover the first-to-market solution with proprietary Warp technology, which makes videos like no other app without Warp technology can? You can make doodle sketch videos, 2D animated videos, 3D animated videos, explainer videos, full motion videos, custom videos, any kind of videos you want. Anyone can do it by simply selecting and filling in the blanks. It is possible because almost everything is done for you already with the software doing all the heavy lifting for you. You can have such videos done without even a single click of your mouse. Create professional quality videos, no experience required. Explaindio Business Edition is an all-in-one video content creator app that focuses on helping you create attention-grabbing, professional-looking 2D, 3D, explainer, and training videos in just minutes. Without requiring weeks of training or technical experience. Without requiring a special set of software. Without requiring you to spend hours upon hours and hundreds to thousands of dollars getting a video created. Explaindio is focused on creating amazing video content to help both you and your clients to get more traffic, more leads, and make more sales. And proprietary Warp technology, owned exclusively by Explaindio, has taken it to unheard of heights before. Engage and attract, get more leads and sales. Get 100% free traffic. Tell a story or promote a product. Elevate your videos in 60 seconds. Engage with your visitors, explain and get them taking action. Videos are used for everything. From sharing your message on social media, to showcase your own or affiliate products or services, to create powerful sales videos that help you make more sales, or to get traffic from social platforms, including new massive platforms like TikTok, and traditional platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. It could be entering their email addresses or pulling out their credit card. This all is done by videos. Join 35,000 plus creators, marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses who are already using Explaindio. Today I'm excited to introduce to you the Explaindio Business Edition. Explaindio Business Edition is a brand new edition of the most popular best-selling software used by over 35,000 people to grow their online businesses with video and to make money from selling videos and video services to clients. Business Edition is the biggest and the boldest Explaindio version we have ever done. Multiple animations at the same time. Full multi-timeline editing. Full 3D animations. Import of external 3D elements. 3D models and animation customization. 180 plus pre-made text animation. 140 plus pre-made video, image, doodle objects animations. Easy video creation wizard. Keyframe animation. Built-in transitions. Import videos in most popular format like AVA, WMV, FLV, MOV, and MP4. Access to over million stock photos and videos. Use as featured or as background. Here's what Explaindio can do. Create attention-getting animation. Build engaging animated scenes. Produce Hollywood-like promo videos. Make creative kinetic typography. Create high-quality parallax videos. Animate product launch videos. Make top-converting YouTube outros. Create eye-catching logo stings. Create black and white doodle sketch videos. Create color doodle sketch videos. Create 3D videos. 3D models shown in the above video are not included with the software. What you get when you get started today. Explaindio Business Edition software. The + animation, doodle sketch, and motion video creation software. Compatible with both Windows and Mac. 300+ fonts. Those fonts are to get you started. You can import any font. 600 pre-done animated scenes. All scenes are customizable with your content including text, image, videos, colors, and more. Background audio tracks. Background music audio tracks to get you started. 500 doodle sketch images. Library includes both blackline and color images. 500 full HD background videos. Animated motions background video to make your videos richer. 6 animated characters. Each character comes with a set of animations. Access to gated Explaindio users group. It allows you to join a vibrant community of thousands of video creators, and get advice and feedback for your videos. Who Explaindio Business Edition is for? It does not matter if you are a freelancer, product creator, affiliate marketer, list builder, entrepreneur, business owner, you sell services to other online and offline businesses, sell your videos, or make money from YouTube channels. You need the right tool that grows with you. Freelancer, product creator, affiliate marketer, list builder, entrepreneur, business owner, person selling videos, person selling services to other businesses, person who wants to profit from YouTube.